guys, welcome back to my channel, Food Utopia. I'm Simran Garg, and I want to thank you all so much for all the comments, likes, and feedback that you gave me. I really appreciate your support. In this video, we will be making a Mocha Frappuccino, which is a really refreshing drink that has a taste of chocolate and coffee, and that is a great combination. So without further ado, let's begin. To make a Mocha Frappuccino, we need 1/2 tablespoon of instant coffee powder, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup, 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and 1 cup of ice or around 10 cubes. Then, in a blender, you can add all of the ingredients. So, put the milk, the chocolate syrup, coffee powder, the sugar, the ice, and the ice cream. If you want your Frappuccino to have a stronger taste of coffee, you can increase the amount of the coffee powder to 1 tablespoon. Also, if you want the Frappuccino to have a thicker consistency, you can mix it for a longer time. Now, we can just blend all of the ingredients together for around 30 seconds. Now, if you would like to decorate your glass more, you can just drizzle some chocolate syrup around the sides. Then you can pour in the Frappuccino. If you would like to decorate your Frappuccino even more, you can add some whipped cream, some more chocolate syrup, and some sprinkles. I hope you enjoyed this delicious Mocha Frappuccino. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for updates on all of my new videos. See you in the next video!